My favorite thing about Birch Rock is the sense of community that we all feel, whether it's within the cabins or within the whole camp. You feel like you can trust everybody here.
Whenever I come to Birch Rock, I have friends that I can rely upon and I can grow with.
Help the other fellow is our mission statement ultimately. The bond that you get with your fellow cabin mates, I think that never ends. The friends you make here are lifelong friends, and you can come back here for a visit 10 years later, meet a few guys who are currently in the moment you were in 10 years ago, and bond with them very quickly because they're going through something that you remember in great detail.
Everyone here cares about who someone is, what they can be, and how they can help. To me, that's the essence of what Birch Rock is.
It's a big investment, but I'll tell you, the letters home when they hit those mile markers was worth every cent.
I think Birch Rock is an amazing community where, once you come here, even whether it's for just a summer, there are people all over the country and all over the world that you can connect with and communicate with.
We give boys an opportunity to just have a little mixture each day, so you can both be an artist and an athlete. You can get a chance to be in the Maine woods, and you get also a chance to learn and try something new that you wouldn't do at home or at school.
What I think I like most about coming to Birch Rock is getting the opportunity to do things that you don't normally do.
Working with the campers and the kids is really fun, and I get to, help them have the awesome experiences that I had as a kid.
I think what I really love about Birch Rock, though, is the fact that we get so many guys continuing back every year.
Love to visit. It's a great place to come back to. It still feels like home, and it's just good to see all my friends and meet new friends too.